Hello everyone, and welcome back to my Trading Tips channel. Today, we are diving deep into the world of binary options trading, focusing on a key aspect that can significantly enhance your trading strategy: indicators. In this video, we'll be discussing the indicators that work perfectly on binary options, specifically tailored for a 5-minute time frame. So, grab your notepads and let's get started. Understanding the 5-minute time frame. Before we explore the indicators, let's understand why the 5-minute time frame is crucial in binary options trading. This time frame strikes a balance between the quick pace of trading and the need for accurate analysis. It allows traders to capitalize on short-term market movements without being overwhelmed by rapid changes. Understanding and effectively utilizing these indicators in the 5-minute time frame can significantly improve your binary options trading strategy. Remember, no indicator guarantees success, but when used wisely and in combination with proper risk management, they can enhance your decision-making process. That's all for today's video, folks. I hope you found these insights valuable. If you did, please hit the like button, share with your fellow traders, and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to leave your questions or thoughts in the comments section below. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.